We do get some questions on how loud the fans are. They're not that loud compared to some of these industrial fans. Our fans are high velocity. They're very powerful, but they don't make that big of a sound where it's not bearable. So here's a pull chain. It is 3-speed. This is low setting. It's turned on. We got a water feature right underneath it. As you can see, that you can still hear the water feature. You can still talk to each other easily. And the fan is still on the low setting. All right, so I'm gonna crank it up to a medium speed. This is a medium speed. And then now I'm going to crank it up on a full speed, which is where a lot of people like to have it, so that it can give you the best results. And this is the highest settings.